it's Mindanao always produces new talents every single month. Sobrang daming pwede mag-upset.
Wow!
Great. Final day at CDO. Just gonna spend it with Sylvia. And my mom there. Wait. Mom there. She's there. She hoarded a bunch of fruits. Yeah, so I don't know what we're gonna do with that, but I'm assuming we're gonna split it amongst us and check in. I can't take anything because I'm over the limit. The rest of them can. I'll figure it out from there. We'll head out, get something to eat, do some debriefing, maybe later, maybe in the airport. I don't freaking know. All I know is it was a good weekend and we're gonna be back in Turlock grinding it again.
Meron lang, ang gusto nyo lang.
Side up.
Oo, kaya dyan. Ayan o.
Malasada lang.
Yan po yung pagkain nila.
Wait.
The boys are still sleeping. Kasi natulog sila 5 a.m. Actually, si Lucy nga 5 a.m. din natulog. Di ko alam ba't gising eh.
Sila sila tulog.
Okay.
So these are the barang. Hello, pretty. Alright, so this is Maritime Coffee. Very simple. They have an outdoor seating too. Yeah, just hanging out here with Sylvia, spending the rest of the morning before we head back and prepare to go to the airport. Pretty chill. Nothing to complain about. I think the guys definitely need to drill more. Also the ladies, of course. There's still a lot of things to improve on. Hopefully we can get an international tournament soon. If not, I want to make vlogs based off of like drill sessions and what we're working on. Yeah, we'll see. We'll do a debriefing session with the team and then we'll go from there. Getting ready to be waiting for our grab. That girl there practicing the Brazilian. Oh. Okay. Lunchtime. Ano na kasi kuya? Cafe, kusina, higala. Kusina, higala. Nauna na yung girls. Sa likod, si Archer, si Carl, at saka si Pat. Gutom na ako, kahit na kumain ako, pero hindi pa sila kumakain. So, tingnan natin. Next tournament, hindi ko pa alam. Tingnan natin. But, training and drills, now that I know kaya i-turn around yung 24 hours na vlog, di i-document lahat ng drills, di ba? No, Pat? Ayan si Pat.
I agree.
Hands daw sabi ni Pat. Hands.
All the way.
But yeah, let's see. Outside of that, ano naman eh. Ang ano talaga sa Mindanao, for the ladies, I think it was expected to be, for them to be on the podium. Sa guys talaga, nandito kami kasi gusto namin makita yung competition. Pag kasi sa Luzon, kilala na namin kung sino yung malalakas. Sino yung magko-content sa podium, di ba? Dito pag pumunta ka, hindi mo aasahan kung si meron kung gaya no, may nakalaban si Archer kahapon na nag-semifinals na he had his counter of a lifetime. Hindi ko nga alam kung nakuha ko sa video yun eh, pero pag nakuha ko, I'll insert it somewhere. Pero think about it this way. Archer was on the left, speeding up cross court middle to that guy. Pag ganun kasi yung angle, you wouldn't see where the shot is coming from because one, the tape is on the way. Second, the body is covering most of the shot. Pero the guy was able to like back up one step and fully load his right arm. Like It's not even a counter. It's like a ball is being fed to him right as Archer hits the speed up. Right as Archer sped it up, pabalik pa lang siya, paikot pa lang yung katawan niya to regain neutral position. Na body shot na siya sa right hip niya. And people were just like shocked. I was shocked. You don't see a lot of that in Luzon, sadly. Kaya it's a call out to a lot of like the older community sa Luzon. Diyos ko naman. Ay, wag na tayong mag-focus sa mga sandbagging na yan. Labanan na lahat. Kasi sa totoo lang pag lumaban ng Luzon sa Mindanao, especially sa boys, sa men's category, kakainin tayo ng buo. Ang mga magpo-podium yun lang yung ma-expect natin magpo-podium. Yun lang. Pero dito sa kanila, sobrang daming pwede mag-podium. Kaya nga namin ginagawa to kasi gusto namin makita yung different playing styles. What I could say is, correct me if I'm wrong, the guys here or the plays here are a little bit different. Ang napansin ko, the players here are better in speeding up, slowing down, then speeding up, and then slowing down again. Like sa atin, pag na-speed up na, dire-diretso na yun, ipipilit nang matapos yung bola. Pero dito, pag dehado na sila, i-reset nila, i-dink nila ulit. Tapos speed up ulit. Ganon. Kaya ang tatagal ng games nila kahapon. Tapos may mga outliers na, alam mo yun, wala silang top spin dink, wala silang slice, pero sobrang alright, we're stuck in traffic, but yun na yun. Well, we're gonna have lunch, tapos straight to the airport. Nice place.
Wala raw pa ko sana. Bigyan niya yan.
Lucy, what happened to the live? nakita actually nila Archer yung live. Si Carl yung nag-bring up.
Hindi, nakatambay kami sa sala kagabi madaling araw. Bigla tumawa si Ate Lina. Maluwa-luwa na siya bigla. Tignan mo, sabi niya.
Naligo.
Sa ano yan? Sa Facebook?
Nalad kasi ako ng kain. Nagulat ako, itawag ko. Nakakatawa dyan. Naglag yung video.
Hindi nila consumable yung 6,000 sa function. Eh di ang ending nandito kami was not intended, pero 7K. We have ano to? Tuna salad. Tuna flake salad. Kompleto na kuya. Alright. Ready and waiting. The sky looks amazing. Look at that. nasa Maynila na kami. Si Lucy, si Danica, Sylvia's here. Mom is up front. Tapos si Pat at saka si Carl sa likod. Kasi si Archer may gig. Pampakramps gig ulit yun.
Parang yung sa likod yung nakaready.
No. Tapos si Dayan may MPPT trick. Nasa Manila na kami. We're going back to i-drop muna si Pat tapos Tarlac tapos renovation of PTC actually. So hanggang Friday, siguro Friday kami celebration for the win tapos reopening because there's a minor renovation. May kinakaadigan lang. Alright, that is it for the CDO vlog. Until the next. Ayun na. Nice one. They did it. Oh my God. I'm so proud of them. Wala eh. Okay, so our women's doubles champion for the first Higalayaan